YouTube, this is MC Videos for you. This is my first video and I'm going to be showing you how to make yourself a Bukkit 1.4.7 server. As you can see, I'm on the Craftbukkit's website, and to the right here you can see the recommended build. Just click this and it should start to download this file here. So on my desktop I've already created a folder for this where I'm going to store it, and I just drag it across into here and wait for that to go. So now I've got it in here. I just want to double click it and open it up and let it extract all the files that are inside. It should only take a few seconds to do, and it will just create some files inside here. So just take a while whilst it does this. It creates quite a lot of files, and difference between a Bukkit server and a normal server, if you don't already know, is that with a Bukkit server you get a place to put your plugins inside the wherever you store it, and plugins are basically, as you can see here, here's the plugins. Plugins are basically mods for servers, but they can't do quite as much as mods, but they're still very, very useful. So now what you want to do is get you should have it. For this tutorial we need Hamachi, so as you see down here, here's my Hamachi IP, and I'll go into the server.properties. I recommend you use Notepad++. This is really useful, so anything that's not down as a text document I can edit. I mean, if you didn't have this you could just rename it and put .txt to turn it into a text document so you could open it, but I'm just going to open it with Notepad++. It's a free download to get this, so I'd recommend it, and I'll probably put a link in the description to this. So generator settings, I just leave that blank. Whether you want the nether here, what you want the world that it creates to be called, I'll just leave that. I'll probably change it to like world 1, so it's just easier to distinguish between other ones. Allow flights, so if anyone's using sort of hacked client to fly around, if you want that to work or not, I'll probably leave that as false. The port, you can change this if you want. I've already got another one, so I'll probably change it to 6. And then level type, I'll just leave that as default. Recon, I'm not sure what this does, but I'd leave it alone. You can give it seed, and then the IP, this is where you want to take your Hamachi one, just copy it and paste that in there. The max build height, so you can make the word a lot higher. Try and keep that as low as possible, because that will cause a lot of lag if it's large. Spawn NPCs, so if you want NPC villages and stuff like that, leave that true. Whitelist, if you want to allow which sort of people you want on, you can just put their names into a file that will be created inside the server here. Like you can see it here, but I keep that off generally because I just want anyone can join mine. Spawn animals, we want animals obviously. Snoop enabled, not sure what that does, just leave that alone. Hardcore, it's just a game mode, just leave it false if you want. Whether you want the server to have a texture pack or not, I just leave, I don't bother doing that. Online mode, if you have that as false, that means people who haven't paid for Minecraft can enter your server. PvP, player versus player, fighting basically. Difficulty, like how many monsters spawn. Game mode obviously. Max players, self-explanatory. And the MOTD is the message of the day, so your server name will be in one place and then you'll have the message of the day underneath it, so just change that to like server, just leave it as that, and then okay, that's all you need to do inside here. Save and close that, and now we can go into this, and the final thing you'll need is this, the Run.bat, which I can show you what that is inside, and I'll also put this in the description. @echo off and then Java and then it's just code. So your Craftbukkit, this needs to match what it says here, so it needs to be just called Craftbukkit.jar for my one. So I'll just click on that and rename it so that I get rid of that. I just have Craftbukkit.jar and that's open apparently. Don't know why that is, but I can just simply edit the run to match that instead. Just do it the other way around. Just as easy. So -1.4.7 -r1.0, and I can save it, close it down and drag that into here. That's in here, close that down, get rid of it, and double click this, open up a window that look like this, and now you see it generate the world and start the server. So whilst that's going, I'll just minimize everything. Okay, let's just open up. And I will open up my Minecraft so I can show you the server working. Right. Let's open this up. Sorry for this guy, I probably should have gone do not disturb for this video. But okay, got this open, hold on. And now if I look at this, yeah, it's completely loaded up now. And if it opens up, then I can show you. That's my other server. Well, like they use the same IP obviously, because they use the same Hamachi. I can join and show you that it's a empty world. Okay, so it's just a brand new world here now. And yeah, so you can see it's worked. There's no plugins, so it's pretty basic. If I go /plugins, oh, sorry about caps lock there. Type that in, plugins 0. So that's about all for this tutorial. I hope this has helped you a lot, and I will be bringing out a lot of other videos, and I'll have a playlist for all the server tutorials, and I'll do lots of plugins to show you, so that hopefully I can get you set up with a pretty cool server. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and check out my channel for any other videos that you might be interested in. Bye.